17, your first step will be to distribute radical 5 to both parts. So when we're doing radical 5 times 2 radical 3, since the coefficient here is 1, we would deal with the coefficients first. So 1, here we go, times 2 gives me 2, and radical 5 times radical 3 gives me radical 15. I'm also going to do that with 1 radical 5 times 5 radical 10, and I'll highlight again because I think that helps some of us visual learners out there. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the green parts, or the coefficients, 1 times 5, which gives me 5, and the radical parts, radical 5 times radical 10, which gives me radical 50. And to be fully simplified, we want to make sure that no radicals contain perfect square factors. 50 actually does contain a perfect square factor, so we can simplify a little bit here, because 25 goes into 50 2 times. The square root of 25 is 5. Drop down your radical, drop down your coefficient, multiply together. 5 times 5 gives me 25. So my second term is 25 radical 2. If we look back at our first term, let's just look at the radical part. Does 15 contain any perfect square factors? No, it does not, so we just drop this down. And these are not like terms, so they cannot be combined. Thus, 2 radical 15 plus